find ourselves always busy, always on the go, thinking about the future. Oftentimes, we miss what's right in front of us. We forget to take a breath and enjoy the present. The art of slowing down. I wish I could fly the drone to kind of show you that perspective, but I can't because right next to this beach is a military base. And I asked and they said no. So good thing I asked because I was going to throw it up anyway. While I'm not going to tell you the exact beach that I'm on, some of you may recognize this. I have to say though, you can't get closer to parking at the beach. I mean, there's places you can park on the beach. I wouldn't chance it because I don't have a 4x4, but this is as close as I can. When I open the doors in the back, I have sand. And there's a lot of surfers out there. I'm not a surfer, so I'm just appreciating. Anyway, it's getting close to lunchtime and I need to make some food. I've already made some rice in the Instapot, but I don't want to eat just rice, so I'm gonna make some tacos. There's a bee that keeps on coming in here, so I have to put the bug screen down. You know how some jalapenos are not very spicy? Well, this is very spicy. Thank you for coming along on today's short video, but this is kind of what happens at the beach. Just enjoy and relax, which I have, but it's gotten so busy and me filming around that many people is a bit so I'll see you in the next one.